Unveiling the value of putting in my 2 cents. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a very interesting phrase that you might have heard in conversations. Putting in my 2 cents. It's a common expression, but what does it really mean? And how can you use it effectively in your daily English? Let's get into it and find out. Putting in my 2 cents is an idiomatic expression used in English-speaking countries to indicate that the speaker is offering their opinion or thoughts on a subject. But why 2 cents? This phrase originates from the early 20th century in the United States, where a 2-cent coin was in circulation. The idea is that the speaker's thoughts or opinions are being offered as a small contribution to a conversation, much like adding a tiny amount of money to a larger pot. Using "putting in my 2 cents" is quite simple. It's often used to preface a statement where the speaker is about to offer their opinion, especially in situations where they might not be an expert on the topic or where their opinion is unsolicited. For example, "I'm not a chef, but putting in my 2 cents, I think the sauce needs more garlic." Just putting in my 2 cents, but maybe we should check the map again to be sure we're going the right way. It's a way of humbly contributing to a conversation without intending to overshadow other opinions or assert one's viewpoint as the only correct one. Interestingly, there are several variations of this phrase that you might encounter. People often say, "my 2 pennies worth," or simply, "my 2 cents," without the "putting in" part. The meaning remains the same, and the choice of variation usually depends on personal preference or regional dialect. When to use it? In informal conversations, especially when sharing opinions. When you want to offer advice or feedback without seeming authoritative. When not to use it? In very formal or academic writing, it's better to avoid idiomatic expressions like this one. When the situation requires authority or expertise, downplaying your input with "my 2 cents" might undermine your credibility. And that's our exploration of the phrase, "putting in my 2 cents." We hope you found this dive into English idioms both enlightening and entertaining. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary. It's also about the colorful expressions that make communication so rich and varied. Don't hesitate to put in your 2 cents in conversations. It's a great way to participate and share your unique perspective. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video where we'll uncover more secrets of the English language.